Spaces, stroke lighting and mild sun noises.
You take as long.
Scare raptors inside will not touch you. You must not touch them. Those who do will be removed from the attraction of the park.
Anyone else going for this gentleman's line?
What's that talking box thing?
So that's it. That's us done here at Scare Kingdom Scream Park. Didn't do a video when we first went in. I was filming some of the characters and then got talking to Jason Carl from Atmosphere Scare Entertainment and completely forgot to record where we were. But obviously the top of the video will say this is where we are. I think that's probably the best run through of Scare Kingdom we've ever had. Obviously everyone will know there's the Paradise Foundation is a great maze. It's really good fun. There's a new facade on it. And yeah, really good scares. The corridor bit at the end where you just go backwards and forwards, we got completely lost in lots of scares. Manor Mortis is incredible as ever. It is just an incredible maze. If you know, it's been around 4 years. I know it has a slightly different story each year, but if you've never been to Scare Kingdom, you really do need to come and check out Manor Mortis. It's incredible. After that, we then went into Gothica. Now, this is interesting. This is the maze that has always just been pitch black with a few holes for people to jump out at. This year it's got a complete retheme. It's been moved around. It's absolutely beautiful in there. It's definitely some spooky sort of nun monastery vibe. Beautiful set dressings on the walls, really lively scare actors, loads of places for the scare actors to dive out and jump around at people. Really good fun. I thoroughly enjoyed that. So that was great. We then went into Body Snatchers, and Body Snatchers is always fun. And it was quite dark this year, but there's a lot of good scares in there. And Bozos is always a lot of fun. After that, we came out, and people may well remember that we are not big fans of Psychomanteum. You know, this is the Psychomanteum was the attraction with some of the eating challenges, some of the other challenges. You know, you might end up with your finger allegedly, you know, stuck up a bum. You know, definitely full-scale nudity and stuff like that. Well, now they've swapped that for something called Enigma. It's still in the same building, and there's still some of the horrible sets from Psychomanteum. Enigma is an upscale attraction. It is more of an escape puzzle room, adventure, theatrical experience. Definitely the nudity has gone, which we were quite pleased about. We really enjoyed it. I really don't want to give too much away about it, but if you like escape rooms and you like a bit of story, you will really enjoy it. We had lots of fun in there. We escaped most of it. We didn't quite do the final room, but all in, as I said, I think that was probably the most complete version of Scare Kingdom we've ever experienced. We've just been talking to Jason Carl again. It's their 14th year of doing it. I can't believe this park has been around that long. So yeah, so that's it from Scare Kingdom Scream Park. We will see you at our next event.